G'day folks, just a quick update on your nautical navigation. Now this is in a river, so I'm glad I found this. This is a big section of the Shoalhaven River here. Now that's a cone shaped marker and it's green, so it's a starboard marker. The simple way to remember your starboard and port is a little poem my dad taught me, which is a little red port left in the bottle. Red port left. Another simple way that I used to remember it is that green and the word right and the word starboard are both longer words than port and left and red are. So anyway, you keep that on your right hand side if you're going upstream. Now that is upstream, which means away from the sea. When you're heading downstream towards the sea, you keep that on your left hand side or your port side. Now it's a cone shape, so even if it wasn't green or the paint had been, worn off or covered in bird poop or something like that, you would still know that that's a starboard marker because of the shape. It's a cone shape. If it was a flat, what they call a can, it would be red. Well, if it's not red and the shape is a can, then you know it's a port marker. So there's also a little poem to remember about how to keep in the channel. The deeper water is, of course, further over there. Green to green when travelling upstream. Green to red when the seas are ahead. Handy little poem to remember. So, if you're travelling upstream, you make sure that marker is on your starboard side. If you're travelling downstream, you keep that marker on your port side or your left side. There you go. Yeah, I won't say anything about that bloke that just went past. That's a little bit of navigation for the day. See ya.